Good evening. I hope everyone has had a nice Friday. I am going to be doing a Taurus full moon reading with seeds of Shaktis. Taurus full moon rooted in prosperity spread. And I am going to use my newest deck, the Materia Prima by Usi. I have never figured out what the UUSI stands for. Let's get the cards from last night's reading mixed in. And question prompt 1. What self-imposed beliefs do I need to release connected to money? How can I use the energy of the Taurus full moon to break unhappy patterns that are blocking my flow to prosperity? As an earth sign, what can Taurus teach me about creating a safety nest of abundance for a rainy day? How can I root myself to the magic of the earth to draw in prosperity? And lastly, a message from the ancestors. And let's pull these from a fan. That went funny. But you know what? Since it broke there, here's 1 and 2. Oh, did I don't know. Copernicum and copper. Interesting that those got so close together. And 3. That's right there. Helium. Lighter than air gas. And 4 is over here. Francium. Another reason to finish listening to the podcast about the elements that these guys turned me on to, and message from the ancestors. It's this one and this one. And we have germanium, which I pulled yesterday, and zinc. Let's scoot up and spread out a little bit since I did that. Let's write everything down quickly. Let's pause it a minute. Okay, and written down, and I decided that I would mark in the book what needed to be looked at. And we have Copernicum is melancholia, the transectinities. We leave the table on the mathematical enigma Copernicum, the riddle that began this charted journey. No matter how you measure it, calculate, dissect, distill, or combine it, the mastery always delivers the same message, the same number, the golden number. We want to think that the golden number is love, and its ardent, magical destination is within all life. Let's see, so that's for what self-imposed beliefs do I need to release to connect to money? Love is our materia prima, and it is visible in our world's circulatory wholeness, which exquisitely sustains our universe's complex and diverse majesty. Within the spiritual serenity of the eternal, love gives us the soulful courage to bear and endure all, and with it we cannot fail. Golden number. Find what I love. How can I use the energy of the Taurus moon to break unhealthy patterns? Copper. Resilient problem solver. The problems. Be versatile. Be versatile when looking at the problems. And helium's noble gas is back here. I love the little bit of gold. It's one of the cards with a little bit of gold on it. I don't know, can we, this light, there's the lighting that makes it flicker a little bit. As Earth and Earth sign, what can Taurus teach me about casting a safety nest of abundance for rainy days? Helium, offspring, union, increasing, creative, solar. Traversing the invisible, from primordial time to when time began. Helium, a floating solar energy, entered the world on a sunbeam with a direct spiritual need for abundance, born from the mighty goddess Hydrogen. On their long, slow journey together, hydrogen and helium birthed oceans of celestial plasma, a lonely mother and son, transmuting into lovers, populating the cosmos and then the earth with their inner becomings, life, offspring. Not sure what I want to write down on that one, so I'm just going to go on to the next one. Francium, which is up here in the beginning. Concealment. How can I root myself to the magic of the earth to draw in prosperity? Concealment, elusive, squandering, ephemeral. Stop showing my hand. Hand so freely. Till the ephemeral has solidified. And germanium and zinc has a message from the ancestors. So let's see. So zinc and germanium. Communication, seer, knowledge, transformative, otherworldly, yoga, healer, bridge, rejuvenation, calming, reassuring. Zinc, yes. Germanium. And I'm not finding words to write, so we're just going to leave that at that and say good night. And we'll get a little bit different look. Stay safe, everybody. Peace. Love you all. Toodles.